Say it again.
Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
One more time.
Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
Faye.
Only one time. Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
Asher.
Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
Roy.
Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
Bear.
Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
Say it again.
Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
I know this. Do it one more time.
Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
No, do it again. Because you're my favorite student. I know you.
Just a little bit louder, favorite student.
Hi, Dom. This is your favorite student.
Audrey.
Finally. You hate me, Dawn.
No, I knew it was you. I knew it was you.
Hi, Dawn. It's your favorite student.
Ashlyn.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Matthias.
Hi, God, it's your favorite student.
Zane.
Hi, Dawn. It's your favorite student.
Say it again.
Hi, Dawn. It's your favorite student.
Sebastian.
Hi, Dawn. It's your favorite student.
Sam.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Say it again.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Jack.
Okay, you got it. Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Micah.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Clara.
Hi, Dawn. It's your favorite student.
Say it again. I was
Hey
her
guys,
chairs.
stop with the chairs.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Oh, that's Lida.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Say it one more time.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Oh my gosh, wait. One more time. I got this.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
No, I'm struggling, but do it one more time.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
You're my favorite student. I'm struggling so much. Hold on. Person up's gonna say something.
You want to say it again?
I do want you to say it again.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Is it Mila?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I was gonna say Mila, and then I second guessed it. Okay.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
That is. Say it again.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
Is that Rhea?
Yeah.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
That's Colin.
Hi, Dawn. This is your favorite student.
That's Elias.
Hi, Dawn. It's your favorite student.
That's McKay.
Hi, Dawn. It's your favorite student.
Audrey, what are you doing? You're second line. Is that everybody?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I had to guess a few times on some of you, but I got it.